Okay, let's go see this house on Mudge. So we're gonna start off on Gabriola. This is a public dock right here. It's called Green Wharf, and it's at the bottom of Wharf Road, right about in the middle of the south end of Gabriola. And I start here, and we're just gonna cross a little ways to get to Mudge, right there. The crossing here is pretty fast. I would say in my boat, we're gonna be 2-3 minutes, and we'll be on Mudge. Here we are on Mudge. I get the question a lot, are there cars on Mudge? Well, yes, there are. You don't have to have a car on Mudge, but it's very convenient for getting groceries home. Now there are no stop signs on Mudge, no stop lights, just a few intersections and gravel roads connecting the island from end to end. We have deer all over the island, otters by the shoreline, of course lots of birds and sea lions. Okay, here we are at the property. That was a nice short drive. Beautiful and sunny up here. Extremely quiet. I'm going to be quiet for a moment so you can enjoy. And now we're going to proceed. I'm going to give you a tour of the house, and I'm going to walk you around the yard and show you the property and some of its features. I also need to mention at this point that we are selling 2 properties for one price. We are selling the house and the lot that it's on and the adjacent undeveloped lot, and all together they're listed for one price. So let's go. So how do we heat the home? Well, we have a heat pump, which has really been a game changer and is our primary source of heat. We have a couple of baseboard heaters in some of the smaller rooms, and then we have this wood stove here. It's CSA certified, wet inspected, and the chimney was installed just 5 years ago. If there's anything in particular that you want to know about the kitchen, I'm happy to answer the questions. As you can see, there are some new cabinets. This fridge is about 4 years old. Dishwasher. Lots of great drawers, very handy. Now we are on a small island with no BC ferries service. That means that everybody either rows across or has a motorboat or a kayak. There are water taxis that are available for hire to go back and forth to Gabriola or Cedar. Even to Nanaimo, come to think of it. There are a lot of people who work from home or work in nearby islands like Gabriola or in Nanaimo or in Cedar.